Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting rare items in Skyrim can be tricky if you don't know where to look, but I'm going to walk you through the best methods to find them. Step 1. Start by understanding that rare items are typically hidden in specific dungeons and locations that most players skip over. You'll want to explore places like Black Reach, the Soul Cairn, and lesser-known caves. Make sure you're leveling up your exploration skill and taking your time searching every corner. Step 2. Next, you should focus on looting chests in high-level dungeons because that's where the good stuff spawns. Bring lockpicks and be patient with difficult locks, as some chests contain legendary weapons and unique armor pieces. Always check behind walls and in hidden alcoves. Step 3. Trading with merchants is another solid approach, especially the ones in smaller towns and specialty shops. Merchants in places like Solitude and the Thieves' Guild Fence can have rare daggers, staffs, and enchanted items. Save your gold and check their inventory regularly. Step 4. Crafting and enchanting your own rare items is actually easier than you think. Gather soul gems, rare ore, and perks in crafting skills to create powerful weapons and armor that rival naturally found items. This gives you full control over your gear's stats. Step 5. Finally, complete side quests and Daedric quests to unlock exclusive rewards that aren't available anywhere else. Many players rush through main quests and miss these unique items entirely. Take your time with these quest lines and you'll discover some of Skyrim's best treasures.